Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get your Binance BTC wallet address. First, you will need to log into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the wallet option, typically found at the top right of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Fiat and Spot. This will take you to your main wallet overview, where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. This initial step is crucial for accessing your digital assets. Now that you are in your Fiat and Spot wallet, use the search bar to quickly find BTC or Bitcoin. Once you locate Bitcoin in your list of assets, you will see several options next to it. Click on the Deposit button. This action is essential as it will lead you to the page where your unique Bitcoin wallet address is generated, allowing you to receive funds. On the deposit page, it is critical to select the correct network. For Bitcoin, always choose the BTC Bitcoin network. After selecting the network, your unique Bitcoin wallet address will appear. This is the address you need to send your Bitcoin to. Carefully copy this address. You can usually click a copy icon next to it to ensure accuracy. Before finalizing any deposit, always double-check that you have selected the correct network. Sending Bitcoin on the wrong network could result in permanent loss of your funds. Also, verify that the copied wallet address is absolutely identical to the one displayed. Binance typically has a minimum deposit amount, which can be as low as 0.000000001 Bitcoin, so be aware of this requirement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.